Chennai, and I have repaired my car over here in the workshop. This is my Celerio. So it got damaged due to some little bit of accident, but the service that I got over here and the cooperation from the staff was very awesome. However, I would directly like to appreciate the team working over here at the workshop. They have supported me very well, and as per my requirement, they have delivered me vehicle a day before than the commitment. So it was a very nice experience for me to get this work done. And also ECO have given a good service and good support to me. So yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Thank you so much. And would you prefer ECO to your friends and family?
Yes. So I suggest that because I have tried too many insurances, this is my first car. However, at the first stage I had bought a showroom insurance, but the experience that I got and the experience that I am getting after 3 years of getting this ECO, after getting ECO after 3 years of my car is definitely different. And I would prefer that if you can go with ECO Drive, a first insurance at buying a car, it will be always a beneficial point for you.
Thank you so much, sir. This really helps.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful drive.
The whole point of being here